everyone, my name is Harsh and in this video I'll be covering how Flutter renders widget. So this is a basic example of an app where we have a center widget, apart and that we have a rich text and then we have a text pen which has a text in it to be displayed in the app. So this is a basic widget. Now how the widget will be rendered. Firstly, Flutter will be making a render tree out of the code which we have written. So this is the basic code which we have written and Flutter will be making a render tree out of it. So as we have specified here that the top widget is center, and in that we have a rich text, and in the rich text widget we have a text which is text pen which displays a text. So it will be making a top widget as center and then a rich text widget will be made. Now if we are adding another widget as a top widget, like a container is added, and in that we are adding all the widgets we had previously, so it will be updating the widget tree and a container will be showed as a top widget and then we'll be having all other widgets in it. Most of the people say that in Flutter everything is a widget, but is it true or is it not? So let us look at that as well. So the truth is that in Flutter everything is a widget, but the things which are rendered to a user or the things which are rendered in a screen are not from the widgets which we make or the code which we write. They are from the render object tree which is created after the code is written and the element tree is created. So now let us look at how the three trees which I mentioned, that is the widget tree, element tree and the render object tree, works in Flutter. So this is a basic example of an app through which I'll be demonstrating how all these three trees work. So let's look at that. So here when we are running this code, what the thing happens is, firstly it will be making out a rich text widget out of the code which we have written. So element render object is made out of the widget which is made, and after the element this element is used to create a render object widget, and this render object is something which is rendered on the screen and is visible to the user. But what if when we are updating the text which we have here? So for example, if we are printing hello Shanghai or hello something else in place of hello world, so what will be taking place is the widget is changed, the text widget which is present inside the rich text is changed. So the thing which will be happening is this widget will be redrawn, but the elements inside the widget have still been same. So the element won't be rendered again, or element won't shown again, or the element won't be built again. So this will be helping us save some resources, and after this the render object will be made with the help of the text which is updated. So this render object will be created once again and it will be displayed to the user, and user can see the new text which has been used inside the code.